Hello, I'm Nunchaku. Please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay. Today we're going to go over basically over underarm aerial, which looks like so. Okay, so it's pretty basic. So if you're a beginner, it shouldn't take you that long to learn this. Maybe a day, maybe two. If you practice a lot like me, less. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be starting the standard grip. Okay, my hand's in the standard grip. My nunchuck is pointing at the left wall. Okay, and I'm holding it with my right arm. So remember, the pointing stick is pointing at the left wall. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this. Okay, basically turn my hand into this move. Okay, so I'm going here, it's going around, I'm letting go of this stick, turning and dropping. Okay, watch again. So we're starting the standard grip. We're going over, like so. We're letting go of this stick here, turning our wrist and grabbing the opposite stick and dropping it here. Okay, so watch. Whoosh. Okay, so once you get that down good, that's all good. Right, from there, what you're going to do is you're going to point your arm out. Okay, don't have it straight out because you look like a robot in it. Just have it out like this. Okay, a little bit of a bend in your arm, because then you can turn into it like that. Okay, and you're basically throwing it over your arm. So when you've done this, all you need to do is point this underneath your arm and lift the hand. Okay, point it underneath and lift. Okay, when you point it up and around and then you lift at the point maybe when the stick's pointing there, yeah? So, whoosh, that will cause it to gain height. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, check out all my other tutorials because I got loads. Okay, and be sure to subscribe and I'll see you again next time, guys. Have a good day.